In front of me I've got Asus ROG Phone 2, and let me show you how to change PIN to your SIM card on the following device. So first of all you have to locate and open the settings, then find and select security and lock screen. Now go a bit lower, here go to SIM card lock, and now as you can see you can smoothly change SIM PIN by tapping on the tab name samely. And here at first you have to enter the old SIM PIN, and it is 2580, and then just enter the new one. So let me enter 1592 and then re-enter it to confirm. And that's it. As you can see it has been changed, so that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.